How to connect n8n with GitHub. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your n8n and then click on the this plus icon. Once that's done, click onto the search bar and proceed to search for GitHub right here. So once GitHub has been located, proceed to click on this and choose right here the action that you want. You have in here a lot of actions, so proceed to just choose which one you want. So click on this right there. And then from in there, you can see the select credentials. So click onto this, create new. You can choose to connect using OAuth or access token. So with access token, you need your user, access token, as well as allowing. On the OAuth, you can just click on disconnect my account, and then it will open right here this window that initiates the connection with GitHub. You can just sign in on your GitHub, click onto this button, and this will initiate the connection. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.